The tech world is buzzing, and at the center of this storm is the iPhone SE4. The latest leaks have sparked widespread speculation, excitement, and debate. In this exclusive coverage from Technology Review, we'll dissect two critical leaks, one revealing the iPhone SE4's back case, and the other suggesting a tantalizing hands-on preview. Hold tight, because you won't want to miss any of this. First leak, the back case debut. Social media platforms, particularly Weibo, are proving to be treasure troves for early iPhone revelations. Recently, a well-known tipster, Lawbao Technology, shared a captivating video comparing the iPhone SE4's back case with the iPhone 14. Let's break down the details. Design similarities and distinctions. At first glance, the iPhone SE4 appears as a stripped-down, single-camera version of the iPhone 14. However, it's more than just a simplified replica. While the overall design language is strikingly similar, complete with rounded edges and a sleek finish, there are notable differences. Camera setup. Unlike the dual-camera system on the iPhone 14, the SE4 opts for a single-lens design. Camera bump. The camera bump on the SE4 is noticeably subtler at just 1.7 mm, compared to the iPhone 14's 3 mm protrusion. This suggests a less advanced main camera, but don't underestimate it. Reports hint at a potential 48MP sensor upgrade, which could still deliver stunning results. Mute switch absence. The absence of the iconic mute switch is a deviation that may surprise longtime iPhone users. These changes clearly position the SE4 as a mid-tier option, but its resemblance to the iPhone 14 ensures it retains a premium look and feel. MagSafe confirmed. Another video from Uncle Pan, another trusted Weibo user, showcased 3 iPhone SE4 back cases in elegant cream, sophisticated gray, and a trendy bluish hue. The cases prominently featured MagSafe rings, confirming that Apple's magnetic charging technology will be part of the SE4 experience. This addition aligns it with Apple's push toward ecosystem unification. Interestingly, the size of the SE4's camera lens closely matches that of the iPhone 14. This further underscores Apple's intent to bridge affordability with premium-level design. Second leak, hands-on hardware insights. The second leak takes things a step further. Digital Chat Station, another renowned leaker on Weibo, provided an update that might just be the most exciting yet. According to the leak, they've already had hands-on access to the iPhone SE4's hardware, confirming key specifications and design choices. Display and build. The SE4 is said to feature a 6.1-inch FHD plus LTPS OLED display. Although it's capped at a 60 Hz refresh rate, the screen promises vibrant colors and sharp clarity. The device will sport a notch, continuing Apple's Face ID journey. Its metal right-angle frame lends it a robust, modern aesthetic reminiscent of the iPhone 14. Performance. Under the hood, the iPhone SE4 is rumored to pack Apple's A18 Bionic processor. This chip ensures the SE4 isn't just another budget phone. It's poised to deliver flagship-grade performance at a fraction of the price. Camera, durability, and price. The single rear camera, coupled with Apple's image processing capabilities, is expected to shine in typical and low-light scenarios. Additionally, the SE4 is rumored to include water resistance, enhancing its durability. Perhaps the most compelling aspect of this leak is the price. At an expected starting point of $499, the SE4 promises to deliver premium hardware and software at a budget-friendly cost, making it a strong contender in its category. Potential launch timeline. The iPhone SE4 is speculated to debut in late March or early April. If true, Apple fans have only a short wait before getting their hands on this affordable powerhouse. Future of the SE line? While the SE4 is stealing the spotlight, murmurs about its successor, the iPhone SE5, or potentially the iPhone 17 Air, are already making waves. Could Apple phase out the SE series in favor of the mini models or introduce a new affordable lineup? Stay tuned, as Technology Review will cover this in depth in an upcoming video. Final thoughts. The iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be a game-changer. With premium design cues borrowed from the iPhone 14, MagSafe compatibility, and the power of the A18 chip, Apple is making high-quality tech accessible to a broader audience. What are your thoughts on the back case leak and rumored features? Does the SE4 excite you? Or do you miss the days of the mini iPhone? Let us know your opinions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Review for more exclusive leaks, updates, and tech insights.